I'm sure you've been hearing a lot about different technology tools for education. Perhaps you're even using many of them right now. But if you'd like to learn even more about how and when to use technology in your teaching and learning, then come to the Summer Institute in Digital Literacy at the University of Rhode Island this July 14th to the 19th. I'm Mary Moen, a high school library media specialist and a student at the Graduate School of Education at the University of Rhode Island. I'm interested in digital literacy and how teachers are learning to use technology tools in their teaching and learning. At the Summer Institute, you will not only hear from experts who will challenge you to dig deeper into your understanding of digital literacy and the impact that it's having on education, but you will also have time to collaborate with others and design a unit that you can bring back to your school. Although this institute is for K-12 educators, I'd like to give a special shout out to librarians. As technology experts, information specialists, and school leaders, you should come to this institute and take advantage of the world-class opportunity to expand your knowledge. Please contact me if you have any questions, and I hope to see you there. Thank you.